Good day everyone, you are welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to create point feature over raster data in ArcGIS. This video is a response to the request of one of our audience. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So to make your work organized, create a folder, a working folder, and put your data therein. Then open ArcGIS. Then load in the data, the raster data. Click on add. In this exercise, let me just load in a data elevation model as a raster. So let's navigate to load in one raster data. Let's use this Adamawa Gombe. Click add. So I have this raster data. So what we want to do is, in a situation you want to create point feature, random point feature on this raster. How do you do that? To do that, as you have loaded in the raster, come to catalog. Then this is where you connect to your working folder. So in this exercise, I want to connect to my exercise folder, which is this one. Then right click that folder. Once you are connected to that folder, right click it, come to new. Then you see shapefile. Click shapefile. So the shapefile, let's just call it point features. Let's just call it point feature, and the type is points. Then here, choose your coordinate system by clicking on edit. Let me choose from my favorite, WGS 1984. Click OK. Click OK. So the point feature has been created. So can now close this. Then come to the point feature, right click it, and come to edit features. Start editing. Then come to create feature here. If it is not showing here, then you need to come back to editor. You see editing windows and you see create feature. So I've opened it here. So I'll click on that point and I'll come back here. The points, in this case I'm selecting randomly. So over the raster. The essence of this is in a situation where you need some point to extract raster value. You can use this, and also this is a process of digitizing point features if you have a topographical map. So let's assume this is enough for us. So once you have done that, you can check this raster to see. Then you come to editor and save edit to save what the points you have digitized. Then click on editor again and stop editing. So you can now click here and go to symbology, choose symbol of your choice and color, then click OK. So you can see the points we have digitized or created over raster. So this is how to create point features over raster. Thank you for watching.